Every night we look up at the same moon. But what if I told you the half we see is hiding something extraordinary? Beyond the glowing face lies a world no human eye has ever seen. A realm of frozen shadows, hidden craters, and ancient secrets buried in silence. From vanished magnetic fields to mysterious glowing dust, the moon's dark side may hold the key to understanding our own planet, and perhaps our origin. This is Stellar Quill, and today we journey into the moon's dark side, secrets humanity can't see. Stay with us, because what you're about to discover may change how you look at the moon forever. 1. The moon's far side was unseen until 1959 when the Soviet Lunar 3 probe sent back the first images. 2. The far side is covered with thousands more craters than the near side. 3. Scientists still don't know exactly why the two sides look so different. 4. The far side has thicker crust, possibly formed after a massive asteroid impact. 5. The dark side isn't always dark, it gets sunlight, but never faces Earth. 6. The largest crater on the moon, the South Pole, Aitken Basin, could fit the entire United States inside it. 7. Some lunar craters are so deep that sunlight has never reached their floors. 8. These eternally shadowed regions may contain billions of tons of frozen water. 9. The moon's magnetic field once existed but mysteriously vanished billions of years ago. 10. Scientists think an ancient lunar dynamo once powered it, like Earth's core today. 11. The moon vibrates like a bell during moonquakes detected by Apollo seismometers. 12. Those quakes prove the moon's interior is still slowly cooling and shrinking. 13. Some scientists think the moon might have small pockets of molten magma even today. 14. Lunar dust or regolith is sharp like glass, dangerous for lungs and equipment. 15. Astronaut suits from Apollo missions were nearly destroyed by dust. 16. NASA discovered glowing clouds of dust floating just above the moon's surface. 17. This mysterious glow was first noticed by Apollo astronauts before sunrise on the moon. 18. The electrostatic charge from solar radiation lifts dust like a ghostly fog. 19. The moon's far side may echo radio silence, perfect for future deep space observatories. 20. NASA plans to build a radio telescope inside one of its far side craters. 21. Because there's no atmosphere, the moon's sky is always black, even at noon. 22. Sunlight there is 100 times stronger than on Earth. 23. Without air, there's no sound, total silence reigns on the lunar surface. Temperatures swing from plus 120 degrees Celsius in sunlight to minus 170 degrees Celsius in shadow. 25. Water on the moon may come from ancient comets and solar wind reactions. 26. Some of it is buried deep within glass beads formed by volcanic eruptions. 27. The moon has no weather, footprints can last millions of years. 28. Earthquakes and meteor strikes are the only forces that reshape its surface. 29. The same side always faces Earth due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. 30. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing chaotic climate swings. 31. Without the moon, Earth's days might last only 6 hours. 32. Lunar gravity causes ocean tides that affect weather and sea life. 33. Ancient civilizations worship the moon as a living deity. 34. The moon inspired calendars, the word month comes from moon. 35. The far side's rocks are older, preserving the solar system's early history. 36. Scientists call it a time capsule of creation. 37. The moon's crust contains elements rare on Earth, like helium-3. 38. Helium-3 could one day power clean fusion reactors. 39. The moon's interior is oddly asymmetric, denser on the side facing Earth. 40. This imbalance could be a fossil remnant of ancient magma movement. 41. Micrometeorites constantly bombard the moon, adding new dust each year. 42. Some craters are younger than 1,000,000 years, recent by cosmic standards. 43. The moon might still have active volcanic vents beneath its surface. 44. A strange thermal hot spot was discovered near the Compton-Belkovich region. 45. It could be the remains of an ancient volcanic complex. 46. Lunar soil contains trapped hydrogen from the solar wind. 47. Future astronauts could extract it for water and fuel. 48. The moon's orbit slowly grows, it drifts 3.8 centimeters away from Earth yearly. 49. In 600 million years, total solar eclipses will no longer happen. 50. The far side is radio silent, no human-made signals can reach it directly. 51. China's Chang'e 4 mission is the first to land on the far side, 2019. 52. It used a relay satellite to send data around the moon's edge. 53. The far side soil chemistry differs drastically from the near side. 54. Its rocks contain more aluminum and fewer volcanic basalts. 55. There are mascons, regions of higher gravity hidden under craters. 56. These cause spacecraft orbits to wobble unexpectedly. 57. Early NASA missions nearly failed due to mascon effects. 58. Lunar ice might preserve ancient solar particles never seen elsewhere. 59. Scientists study them to understand the sun's early behavior. 60. The moon might have captured small asteroids in its orbit billions of years ago. 61. Tiny moonlets may once have orbited the moon itself. 62. The far side experiences longer nights than the near side. 63. Because of orbital eccentricity, it gets colder for longer periods. 64. Lunar dust can cling to metal using static electricity. 65. It even floats above the surface in thin layers. 66. The far side's crust contains rare minerals like thorium and potassium. 67. These could reveal clues about the moon's inner heat engine. 68. Some scientists believe the far side once had more volcanic activity. 69. Massive impacts might have triggered internal lava flows. 70. The moon has no atmosphere, but it does have a thin exosphere of atoms. 71. These atoms are constantly replenished by solar wind and meteor strikes. 72. The far side receives more meteor impacts than the near side. 73. That's why its surface looks older and more battered. 74. The South Pole might be the most valuable spot in the solar system. 75. Permanent shadows there trap vast stores of ice and frozen gases. 76. Future lunar bases will likely be built near the South Pole. 77. Some craters act as natural cold traps colder than Pluto's surface. 78. The moon's core is only partially molten, smaller than scientists expected. 79. Lunar samples suggest it once had a global magnetic field. 80. That field vanished mysteriously about 3 billion years ago. 81. The moon's far side helps block radio interference from Earth. 82. It's ideal for listening to faint cosmic signals from deep space. 83. The far side has never been explored by humans, only robots. 84. Future missions aim to change that by 2030. 85. Artificial intelligence is being used to map hidden tunnels under the surface. 86. These lava tubes could become safe shelters for astronauts. 87. Some are large enough to fit entire city blocks inside. 88. The atmosphere contains millions of tons of dust at any time. 89. Earth's magnetic field once completely disappeared for a short time. 90. Humans have left over 170 million tons of plastic waste on the planet. 91. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. 92. The oldest known fossils are 3.5 billion years old. 93. Earth's inner core may be solid due to extreme pressure. 94. The Arctic is warming nearly 4 times faster than the rest of the planet. 95. The Pacific Ocean's garbage patch is twice the size of Texas. 96. Earth's magnetic north is moving toward Siberia. 97. More than 70 volcanoes are active right now. 98. Earth's rotation slightly changes after large earthquakes. 99. Every breath we take contains atoms once breathed by ancient civilizations. 100. Earth is not just our home, it's a living, breathing planet full of secrets. We've explored the far side, a silent witness to cosmic creation and time itself. From mysterious quakes to frozen craters and lost magnetic fields, the moon reminds us how little we truly know about our closest neighbor. Every shadow up there tells a story, and one day, we might stand upon that hidden half ourselves. Until then, keep your eyes on the stars and your curiosity alive. If this journey into the moon's mysteries inspired you, tap subscribe and join Stellar Quill for more cosmic secrets, forgotten science, and hidden truths of our universe. Hit like to boost our next mission and share this with someone who still believes the moon is just a rock in the sky.